Okay, in this problem, we are going to use Excel as opposed to StatCrunch. Remember, you still want the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. We need to find where all these things are also in Excel. So let me open it up in Excel. And you see that's Excel. I'm going to get my windows straight and Okay, you're looking over here, and what is it that you actually want? You want the range. You want the variance, and you want the standard deviation. Okay, those are the things that we want. Okay, well, you can go up here to formulas and go to function library, and let's see, we really want something that says statistics if possible. So that's statistical. This gives us everything here, kind of that's related to statistics. And so if it's here, you can find it. If it's not here, you can't. Do you see range in here anywhere? No, I don't see range. But range is pretty easy to find. It is simply the minimum, the maximum minus the minimum, and that's minimum and that's maximum. So those aren't very hard to come by. But let's see, we want the variance. Let's see where the variance might be. Var P, that's for population. Var S is probably for statistics. So let's just hit that. But that's not where I want it, is it? All right, so I'm going to take it out for now, and I'm going to go ahead and find the range. Well, how would I do it? It equals, open it up. I want max, which was the cost for that. I want the max of what? I need to open the parentheses for what I want. Okay, close that parenthesis and then close the complete. Okay, that was just the max, but I actually want the range. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to subtract the minimum of that same group. Okay, what did I get? 19. Okay, let's look for the variance. Okay, remember we were over here and we're looking at formulas. So you go under your formulas and we want to find a formula that's statistical. And what do we want? We want variance. So we're going to flip down here to V. Once you can remember these, then you don't have to do all this. But if you can't remember them, just do it. And it would be the variance of what? We don't want that in there. Let's take that out. It would be the variance of that same group, A1 through A14. That gave me the variance. Now the standard deviation is that square root, but we need to practice going and finding our formulas, or telling it what to do. Standard deviation S is probably sample. And what is that for? This same group. Okay, now we've got those three answers. Let's see how well we did. The range was 19. And what is that? What are we dealing with? We're dealing with hurricanes. Okay, your standard deviation rounded to 1 decimal place is simply 5.9, and that's single. That's just hurricanes. Variance is what's squared. So the variance to 1 decimal place is 35.1, and it would be hurricane squared. Okay, quickly again, The measures of variation is how the data is dispersed. The measures do not reveal the difference between the largest and the smallest. They do, that's the range. The measures of variation reveal nothing about the number of how the hurricanes are spread. Well, you see how they're spread out. But we don't see anything about a pattern. That's what we're looking for. That for it to not have is a pattern. We can't see the pattern based on those answers. And it did give you a scale. Okay. That was